My screen has been turning on and off yesterday with a crackling sound. Can you spot the error? Okay, now I removed the solder here. But it didn't take solder, so we take a lot of solder actually. Yeah, now it looks like I've soldered it. I have to scrape it a bit. So let's put it together and see if it works. And then there's 2 screws under this, and then there's like 4 screws in here. It's BENQ SW271-B. So here you can see the mechanism. Yeah, so I just have to thread it over that one. There you go. No bang. Let's see. Yeah, it turns on. Wow, so that was an easy fix.